Learn how to create a schedule. Log in to myHumboldt and click on the View Degree Audit Plan under the quick links. You can create a schedule in 5 easy steps. First, we're going to push your semester plan to schedule. Click on the Plans tab to get started. Open your starred plan. Remember, only starred plans can be pushed to schedule. Open the semester and click on the Schedules icon. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. You will be redirected to Schedules. Review any messages. You can add more classes here, but we're going to add some breaks. Click on Busy Times and click Add Busy Time. Enter a name for your break and enter the start and end times. These are times you don't want to be in class. Select the days of the week for this break. Click Save. You'll see your busy times show up on your schedule. You can add more breaks if you like. Remember to save, and then when you're done, click Finished Adding Busy Times. And now we're going to find and save a primary schedule. Click on Schedules and Auto-Generate. You can add more preferences, but for now we're going to skip this step. Select the number of schedules you'd like to see and click Generate Schedules. Check out all these schedules. Click View Details to see more information. You may see a course that doesn't have any times. Click on it to view the details. Most often, these will be online courses. If you see a section that you really like, click on the lock icon. This means that every schedule you generate after this will include this section. Click Return and click Auto Generate again. Click Generate Schedules, and now you can view details and save your ideal schedule. Give it a name and remember to check Make Primary Schedule. Save and return. Click Finished Auto-Generating Schedules. Check that your primary schedule is showing. On to Step 4. Click Add to Shopping Cart and finish enrolling. You'll be redirected to your Student Center. You may see a Validate button. If it's there, always use it. Checkmark your courses and click Validate. Review any messages, and then click Shopping Cart. Now it's time to officially enroll. Checkmark the classes and click the Enroll button. Confirm and then click Finish Enrolling. Carefully review any messages. And that's it! Congratulations! You have created a schedule like a pro. You must finish the enrollment steps in Student Center to officially register in your classes. Carefully review all your messages, confirm registration on your weekly class schedule. Thank you for watching, and contact the Office of the Registrar if you have any problems with registration.